We're looking at the Vivo V20 and why this phone would make such a great gift this holiday season. Of course, we're also looking at the things that this phone can do. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. This video is a little holiday themed because I've decided to look at what the Vivo V20 can do in terms of why it would make a great gift to your loved ones or to yourself. So this holiday season, give the gift of beauty. Beauty can come in so many things, also in terms of design. I'm not shy when I say that the Vivo V20 is one of my favorite phones this year. I cannot even begin to explain how much I love this melody sunset color, those shifting gradients, and that matte glass back is just amazing because you don't get a lot of smudges on it. It has a nice thin build, it feels good in hand, and it looks classy and premium. Definitely a statement phone, something people actually notice when they see it in hand. This holiday season, give the gift of reflection. Lol, or should I say reflect on the selfie cam. That 44 megapixel selfie camera in that tiny notch on that nice crisp and bright AMOLED screen. Definitely enough to take great selfies. Aside from typical autofocus features, there is eye autofocus, meaning it detects your eyes so that you are always the star of every selfie. And finally, on Vivo phones, there are so many selfie features. For example, gesture selfie, so palm shutter, and then all you need to do is perfect for remote selfies. There are portrait selfies, which gives you a really nice bokeh background, so you can adjust that here. There is a beauty mode for everything, including posture mode. This is really fun. It gives you sort of different cutouts that allow you to take nice selfie photos. So I think I did well. There is even the style feature, which gives you all these nice different filters. And you can also adjust makeup. No makeup? Makeup. Show the people you love how beautiful they look through your eyes through the gift of great selfies. Reflect on that. Give the gift of great memories or capturing those great memories. This phone has a 64 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel wide angle shooter, and a 2 megapixel shooter to give you that nice depth and bokeh. Shoot from wide 1x, 2x, to up until 10x. Even macro mode to see all those tiny little details, or video in those same angles, and even up until 4K. Give the gift of great performance. Yes, this phone does perform. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, this phone has enough power for everyday moderate use. I mean, it was enough for my daily use. Everyday multitasking, the very few games that I use, and well, heavy photo taking was handled perfectly by this phone. Also, this thing runs on 8GB of RAM and a choice between 128 or 256GB of storage. And finally, give the gift of time on your phone without fuss, because this thing has an all-day battery. 4000 mAh battery power is enough to last you throughout the day. That battery capacity is amazingly fitted on this sleek phone. But yes, that is how much juice you have, and it lasted me more than a day most days. And this thing can do 33 watts fast charging. Right, that is it for today. Hopefully you guys appreciated this new format where I talked about the Vivo V20's features vis-a-vis the holidays. Definitely one of my favorite phones this year. You should also check out my video on the Vivo V20 Pro and the Vivo V20 SE. I'll link them down below. But before I go, just one last thing. So Vivo Philippines is actually giving away a Ford EcoSport this Christmas. To get the raffle ticket and to qualify to join, all you need to do is buy a Vivo smartphone from November 16 to January 11. Winners will get Bluetooth speakers, air purifiers, 10,000 pesos worth of wish granted, and the grand winner will get that Ford EcoSports. More details on the Vivo website, I'll link that down below. Imagine getting your loved ones the gift of this phone and everything I just talked about, plus an EcoSports. Win-win. Right, that is it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at @isadoes_ on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Until next time.